Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel table or Watos. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share with all of you. I am at Ikeja right now and I will be showing you the Ikeja overpass and the construction so far. I was here some weeks ago, but the world has really changed because they have gone far on the construction here at Ikeja. This overpass to separate train movement from vehicular movement. Vehicle heading from Awolowo Way to Agege Motor Road and vice versa will not have to stop whenever there is a train movement or whenever a train is approaching the Ikeja level crossing. The level crossing will be closed once the construction is completed. Remember that this construction is a Redline project, which is a fast moving train, and a fast moving train does not need obstruction when moving. It only stops at a station. So guys, sit, relax and enjoy as I take you around this wonderful project. Thanks for watching this video up to this extent. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. We'll meet in the next one. Peace.